Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about tenses. As you know that there are three tenses: present, past and future tense. Again, these three tenses divided into four, that is simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. So the form of present tense is subject plus V1. Subject plus V1. And another thing, we use simple present for habitual verbs. These habitual verbs. Second is permanent verbs for facts. I'm writing here facts and habitual verbs, permanent verbs, facts and in the stative verbs. For the stative verbs. So we normally use simple present tense, subject plus V1 plus object. I drink milk every day. Sun rises in the east. So this all comes under present, simple present tense. Next, we go through the present continuous tense, that is subject plus am, it is or are, plus verb VING, that is present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense when changes taking place now, means in the present scenario, changes taking place now. And for the temporary actions, means it may change within few hours or minutes. So next is actions happening now, means that is at the time of speaking. Okay, at the time of speaking, as I am speaking now. Okay, I am giving a class to you. That is, giving a class to you at the time of actions happening now. That action, I am taking the class for you. That is an action happening now. The next is present perfect. The form of present perfect is subject plus have or has plus V3. Okay. For I, you, we, they, we use have. He, she, it, we use has. Next, we use present perfect for experiences. For the experiences, I have taught English to many students in my career. Okay, I have taught English to many students in my career. This is my experience. And for the recent actions or events, for the recent actions, recently happened, recent actions or events, as we have to note this, subject plus have or has plus V3. Don't confuse this V3. Next is present perfect continuous tense. We use present perfect continuous tense. The form is subject plus have or has been plus VING. We use present perfect continuous tense for started in the past, and still continuing. Example, I have been waiting to see the doctor for 2 hours. So here, I have been waiting. This is started in the past and still continuing. Have been waiting to see the doctor for 2 hours. Means even now I am waiting for the doctor. The next is past tense. When we use past tense, again this past tense has divided into simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. The form of simple past tense is subject plus V2. Subject plus V2. We use simple past tense when completed actions in the past, means already completed actions in the past. If we want to specify the time of the past event, okay, to specify the time we have to use simple past tense. And past continuous tense, subject plus was or were plus VING. Here let's see one example. I was having dinner with my family when the doorbell rang. So unfinished going action in the past. So I was having dinner with my family means it was unfinished ongoing action in the past plus finished action. Why it is finished action? When the doorbell rang means the doorbell rang, it is the finished action. I was having dinner with my family. Here we used having dinner. This is the unfinished action. When the doorbell rang, here we use past tense form. When the doorbell rang, that is the finished action. Here we for I, he, she, it we use was. You, we, they we use were. Next, past perfect. Subject plus had plus V3. Okay, here easy to remind that for all perfect tense, that is either is present perfect, past perfect or future perfect, it will be V3 form. It is easy to remember. This past perfect form explains which action done first. This past perfect form is useful to explain which action done first. When we got to the theater, the movie had started. When we got to the theater, the movie had started. Means before my arrival itself, the movie has started. So this is the movie had started is the first action. When we got to the theater is the second action. Means after starting the movie, we have arrived to the theater. Next, past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had been plus VING. Okay, for all continuous tense we use been plus VING. For any continuous tense, either present perfect, or past perfect continuous or future perfect continuous tense. For three of it we use been plus VING. Here the subject will be the same. Been plus VING will be the same. Just we have to remember the middle. Example. She had been waiting for 2 hours when the doctor finally arrived. So she had been waiting for 2 hours when the doctor finally arrived. So here what is the first action? First she had been waiting. First she was waiting for 2 hours when the doctor finally arrived. So this is the second action. We will continue future tense in the next video. Hope you understand till here. Thank you for watching.